significant topic. Observation as a technique in guidance. Guidance has got lots of techniques like interview, observation, projective techniques, and so on. Observation is the process of watching a person to get different aspects of his character and personality. An observation can be used as a very good technique for giving guidance. For example, if you are a teacher and if you want to give some guidance to your students, in the case of their higher educational course selection or in the case of career selection, you can make use observation as an effective technique for finding out the aptitude and skill of your students. At times, if you are asking some questions to them or if you are providing some questionnaire to your students to know about their leadership skills or to know about their organizing skills, to know about their skills, some other skills, your data may not be accurate because at times students may write something by looking at the papers of others or questionnaires filled by others and something like that. If you want to get accurate data on the skills of your students, you can observe them. For example, if you observe all of your students when organizing programs, you would see some students are able to manage different activities, able to organize different activities in an effective manner. By looking at these, you can realize the organizing skills of some of your students and you can give them guidance so that to make them select some vocation related to some multinational companies as managers and CEOs. If you ask some questions in your classroom, you can observe the answers of your students. And you see that some students are able to give some answers with correct pronunciation in English language. And if you look at their facial expressions, you feel that they can be better teachers in the future. Then when you give guidance to them, you can just put before them some careers which need some better communication skill and voice modulation and body language by using English language. If you observe, if you are a person, if you are an expert who are giving guidance to students, when you are giving a class on career guidance, you can just make some students come forward to talk something about them. And you can observe their physical movements. You can observe their confidence and you can give them guidance. See Some experts can give guidance even by looking at the body movements of some people without making them utter even a single sentence. I have seen this one. When I was a student of Surrey College, for selecting a team for folk dance, the trainer came to our hostel. And there were some students at our hostel, who had never learned folk dance in their life. I think they hadn't even watched folk dance in their life. And the trainer just called them, and the trainer just asked them to walk. And just by looking at the body movements, he selected a few students from that group of students for the folk dance. And this is not an exaggeration. During that academic year, in the university arts first, that folk dance team won the first place. So observation is an effective technique. By observing a person, you can know about his skills. You can know about his leadership skills, his personality traits, his communication skill, his organizing skill, his character, and everything. And all these are something important in the case of guidance.